Number 15. Jamie, Priya, and Paul can paint a room together in 2 hours. Priya does the job alone. She can paint the room in 5 hours. If Paul works alone, he can paint the room in 6 hours. If Jamie works alone, how long would it take her to paint the room? Well, so here's how I'm going to set this up. I'm going to just do it by the number of rooms painted divided by the time it takes. So first, they gave us was the total. They all can paint a room together in 2 hours. So one room in 2 hours. This is the total. Now, if it's the total, you would add the other people together. So it says Priya. I'll call her P1 since there's two, or I'll just write out Priya. Priya, it says she can paint the room, one room, in 5 hours. Now, since that's the total of people that I will be adding each time. Paul, it says, can do one room in 6 hours. Now, what we want to know is if Priya does the job alone, how long, not Priya, I'm sorry, Jamie. How long would it take her? And it's the same one room, but we don't know how long it'll take. We could set this up and do an insolve, or you could graph. To make sure we get the right answer, I'm going to graph. I'll call this right here F1, this, I'm going to do F2, and I'm going to look for their intersection. So I'll go to my graph. And I'm going to say the first one is 1/2. The second equation was 1/5 plus 1/6 plus 1/x. I graph these. I want to know where the intersection is. Where are these equal to each other? And the positive value. So I'm going to look over here. I'm going to go to menu, analyze graph. I'm looking for an intersection. They look like they cross in here. So the answer is, when does it take half an hour? She can paint a room in 7.5 hours. X is hours in this equation. And so it would take Jamie 7.5 hours. To paint the room.